Hello friends, welcome to the new video. This video is going to be very important for you because today we are going to discuss scales in very details. Last time we have left here, um, and today I'm going to discuss about the scales in very details. Before starting today's lessons, uh, I sincerely request you to go back and watch all the videos if you haven't. Please do not skip any of my video because all videos, all discussion that we have done from right from the beginning is interconnected with each other. Okay, so today we are going to see, as I said in last lecture, there are two basic scales, major and minor, that you need to know at the beginner stage. There are other scales as well, like a minor scale has a further, harmonic minor, melodic minor, there are pentatonic scale, there are blues scale, there are major 7, minor 7 scale. But since this is a beginner lesson, we are just going to cover major and minor scales for now. So today we will drill down the major scales, and if you coming from my last video, I have explained what is semitone, what is whole tone, and how knowing semitone and whole tone is going to help us to understand what is scales are. So if you refer this diagram, I have given the formula of a major scale and minor scale. So today we will drill down the major scale, and I will show you. You can play and you can practice along with me while we are on this video. One more request, you can save this video, or if you feel any part is very important, you can write it down on paper as well. So this is the formula of a major scale. So any major scale, what major scale is? So for we have a 7 notes, 7 natural notes, as I told you in last lecture. Those are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Those are 7 musical notes. And scale means any note, take any note and play till its higher octave in a particular format, in a particular formula. That formula is written above, and I will give you a demonstration using that formula, how to derive to a scale. So for example, today we are looking at a C major scale. So the C note, the first C note on the guitar is on 3rd fret of a 5th string. This is first C note on the guitar, and we will call this as a root note because we are trying to understand here what is the C major scale is. So C is a root note, and in each scale we have a 7 note, and 8th note is a octave is higher pitch of this note, the root note. So starting from C, if we play 7 notes in this particular order, like it forms a major scale. So our first note, root note, is a C, which is fifth string and third fret. So look at the formula now, and what it says: root note, and the second note of a root will be a whole tone after root note. So if you remember my previous lessons, where we discussed what is half tone and whole tone. So if this is C, root note, then this is half note, and we are talking about these 4 frets only, right? Because this is the open position. So this is half note, and another half note is next string open fret. So root note plus whole note is the second note of the scale. So if this is first note, then whole note, this will be the second note of the scale, which is D. So second note plus one whole note is third note of a scale. So if this is second note, then this is half note, and this is full note, whole tone. So our third note will be E here. So after third note, the fourth note is a half tone. That means from here it's a half tone, just next fret. That will be our fourth note, that is F. After F, it's again a whole tone, right? It's a whole tone for a fifth note, and this is fifth note, then this is half, and next string open is a whole tone. So our next note, the fifth note, will be G. After G, again, so G is here, third string open. After G, again whole note. So this is half note and this is whole note. It's our sixth note, that is A. And after sixth note, again whole tone, which is this. This is half and this is whole. This is a seventh note, which is B. And this note is same as second string open. So we will play, instead of playing on a third string, we will play that note on a second string open, which is here, which will be the seventh note of C major scale. And from seventh note to it's again 8 octave root, again the root note is a half tone again, right? You can see in the diagram, it's a half note. So from open to just a half note is again the root. So our entire C major scale is first note, whole note, third, half note, 4, whole note, fifth, whole note, sixth, whole note, half note. So entire C major scale will be so this is the formula by this formula you can form any major scale on the guitar. And you can comment me if my learning method is very easy to understandable or not. You can suggest me in case you need to know a specific thing. And in next lecture we are going to discuss a drill down minor scales. So this one example for the major scale, and in next video we will drill down minor scale. Okay, till then practice, save this video, watch it again and again and practice, and refer all of my previous video if you haven't. Okay, thank you, bye.